1 times 10 raised to the power of 2. Okay, you're going to write down the number, which is 6.101. Then this power will determine the number of 0 you are going to add to this number. Since it is power of 2, it means you add 2 0 to this number. Then after that, since you're dealing with power of 2, you count 2 numbers from this point forward because you're multiplying. I told you if it is multiplication, you are counting 2 numbers from the point forward. If it is division, you count backward. Okay, you have 1 and 2. Then you put your point here. It means you've changed the position of this point from here to here. Then the final answer is 6.100.100. I told you the 0 after point. If you have a 0 at the end of the point, it means you're going to cross out the 0. You can leave it if you want, and you can also cross it out if you want. Okay, then the final answer is 610.1. It means 6.101 times 10 raised to the power of 2 will give you what? 610.1. Same thing applies to question 3. You have 0.0351 times 10 raised to the power of 3. This power will determine the number of 0 you are going to add to this number. Here you write it down as 0.0351. Then you add 3 0. Since you are dealing with power of 3, you add 3 0 to this number. 1, 2, 3. Then since you are multiplying, it means you are counting 3 numbers. You can see the power is 3. You are counting 3 numbers from this point forward. And that will be 1, 2, 3. Then you put your point here. Then it means you've changed the position of the point from here to here. Then the final answer is 00351.1000. And I told you if 0 starts a number, you're going to cross out the 0, and at the end you cross out the 30. Then the final answer is 35.1. It means 0.0351 times 10 raised to the power of 3 will give you what? 35.1. Same thing applies to question number 6. You have 9.12 times 10 raised to the power of 3. I told you the power will determine the number of 0 you're going to add to the main number. And that will give you what? 9.12. Then you add 3 0 to it. 1, 2, 3. Then you have to start the counting from this point. Since you're multiplying, you count 3 numbers forward because of this power. You can say it is power of 3. It means you are counting 3 numbers from this point forward. And that will be 1, 2, 3. So you locate your point here. Then it means you've changed the position of the point from here to here. Then the final answer is 912.